It's Jim's Kitchen, making and tasting yummy foods. It tastes oh so yummy. Well, hello and welcome to another episode of Jim's Kitchen. And for today's episode, we're going to be doing some cooking in an unusual way. Today we're going to be cooking a meal in the dishwasher. We're going to be cooking a full meal. Let me show you what we're doing. We actually are going to cook them in jars, which have a nice seal. Our first jar is a couscous. It's already starting to expand in just the regular water. So it's couscous, vegetable stock, some lemon, a little garlic, and that's going in here. Here we've got your mustard green beans. I put some green beans, some mustard, and some more vegetable stock right in there. I hear you can cook eggs in the dishwasher. We got 2 eggs and some water. We're going to put that in the dishwasher. I don't think they're going to hard boil them. They're going to soft boil them. Will be great with the couscous. And finally, we got a dessert. We've got some strawberries in there. I put some maple syrup, some water, and some cinnamon, and some oats. And that's going to go in the dishwasher as well. So what's cool about this cooking, not only do we cook, we're going to be washing our dishes at the exact same time, thanks to those very sealed lids. So all we do, our soap is already in there. We're just going to start our dishes. And there they go. I'm looking forward. 1 hour and we'll be eating. See you soon. Ding! All complete. Let's see how they turned out. Oh boy, oh, it's steaming. It's very, very heavy. There's those beans. Looking good. I'll give those a shake. The eggs. You can see some bubbles in there. Finally, the oats. I can see some oat growth. Okay, I'm ready to eat. Time to serve. Let's see if it explodes. It does not explode. It's definitely filled to the brim. The couscous. Great. We need some beans. Yes. Egg from here. And just crack this egg and see how it looks. In case it's not cooked, I should not crack it on the couscous. Well, it does not look cooked. It looks very uncooked.
Do you need a thing for a soft boiled egg? Like a little holder?
There we go.
Oh, it is definitely not cooked.
So I do not think we've learned a lesson about the egg. It does not cook very well.
Good to know.
I'm going to sample this couscous. Perfectly cooked. It's not too hot either. And then the beans. It snaps. It's crunchy. It could have done for another 2-hour cycle, I think. Well, I must say the meal was quite disappointing. The couscous was good. We have cooked a salmon in the dishwasher before, and that did turn out pretty good. Some things suggest you can cook chicken in the dishwasher. No way, Jose. So we must try this dessert now. We've got our maple syrup, cinnamon, strawberries, and some oats in there. It is basically a strawberry compote. This is something you could pour over ice cream. You could eat by itself. You could pour over a little on top of some shortcake. So let's just see how it tastes. That is nice and warm. It's very comforting. It's like a comfort food. It's not overly sweet either with that maple syrup. Strawberries are a great soft texture. So the dessert is a winner, even better than the couscous. Out of 10, I give this dessert 6.7. I like sweet stuff.